Today we would like to a little bit explain about footwork. So for the feet, for the beautiful legs and feet, in an easy way to understand how to make your legs and feet beautiful right away, first we have to identify our free leg. So what does it mean free leg? So if we put our body weight on the right leg, the other leg, which doesn't have that much weight, it has maybe 5% of weight, maybe 10% of weight, but it's definitely less than the other leg. It's called free leg. So in this case, our left leg is free, our right leg is standing leg. Okay, so now let's say change weight to other leg. So we have our standing leg is left, now the free leg is right. So to have a beautiful feet, we have to identify where is our free leg. And now the secret is, anytime you do something, you have to make sure finish your free leg, finish, to make it very beautiful. For example, when we dance, we have a forward walks, side walks, backward walks. Not too many options. So let's say if we step side, if we finish, meaning point and show the heel of our free leg, the position and the whole body, the whole figure looks already very, very beautiful. Now let's say if we transfer weight to other leg, we have to finish your free leg. Now if we step forward, now in this case, my free leg is my back leg. So to finishing it, turning and getting from heel to ball to the toe, let's say as a final position to get here, that'll be a very good idea for us. Okay, so let's try again. So it's very good to try it on the basic Rumba Walk, because if we have a side, we can identify our free leg. Okay, it's this one. Make it pretty thin. Forward, finish your back foot. Now replace back. Now finish your front leg. So don't leave this leg here. Now we step side, finish your free leg, and back. So you finish our free leg, which is in front right now, forward, finish your back leg. Now, in order to have a beautiful dancing and look good, we always have to pay attention to our free leg. Is our foot finished or not? And it's not only about the final position, but also when the foot is traveling. So for example, here we have beautiful position, but now as our foot travels, we want to really be aware of the finishing of that foot, free leg, which is actually on the go travels. Got it? So if you pay attention of the whole that way that your foot travels, you will have a very beautiful look. Now for example, we pay attention to our free leg, it's finished in front, now we want to step side. So we're going to trace all the way here. So our foot in a beautiful finish inside edge toe position, and then we pay attention to other leg. So okay, so when you dance your choreography, let's say if you dance Rumba, if you focus on your free leg being finished, it's already improved you like tremendously, like in very fast way. So for example, we start, already pay attention to your right foot, go back, 2, pay attention to your free leg, which is in the front, 3, which is your free leg, pay attention there, very good, 4-1, so pay attention to your free leg, how much you finish, that beautiful picture.